If you guys are holding XRP or cryptocurrencies, this is an emergency video because we have to talk about the conflict now in the Middle East. What does this mean for cryptos? Well, the same thing happened last summer. And as I have mentioned in my previous videos, summer price action is usually bearish because a lot of the liquidity that drives the prices up or down in a strong manner is dried up. All of that liquidity, guess what? A lot of it, people, the hedge fund managers, institutions, they're taking a break during the summer. It's kind of like a holiday season for people in finance. So a lot of liquidity dries up around the world, and you're going to get a lot of crazy illiquid moves. So that means the order books are thin, and it's not as hard to drive and manipulate prices because the order books are thin. Thin order books mean there is not a lot of buyers and sellers above certain levels, which when liquidity is thicker during peak season, there's a lot more buyers and sellers. So it's harder to drive and push prices up and down to certain levels. So that's kind of what happens. And it usually happens every single summer. And that's why they say sell in May and walk away. And that liquidity usually starts to return September, October. Now, there is going to be pumps. There is going to be dumps. It's just a lot more volatile. You're going to see, if you looked at the last summer's price action, Bitcoin would crash 20 and 30%, and then it will pump 30%, not much longer after. And that type of trading environment is great for trading. It's great for trading. It's great for investing, buying these crashes. And after it pumps up really big, you can sell and make a lot of profits. That's personally for me as a profitable trader, one of my favorite forms of market condition. So right now we have FUD in the Middle East regarding Israel and Iran, and that is going to create a lot of uncertainty. There is potential war that could break out, not only with those two countries, but even other countries. And again, it could potentially be World War III. Maybe not, most likely not. But that could potentially be the case. And if that is the case, the markets will crash. The markets crash during times of uncertainty because people sell and pull out of positions. They de-allocate or they de-risk to risk assets like crypto, stocks. Those are risk assets. People put up risk to make money. And that's how you can make money, by allocating yourself to risk. So there's probably going to be a lot of crazy volatility, a lot of pumping and dumping. But as Bitcoin is rejecting the previous all-time highs, we're getting this type of news. It's not looking extremely bullish in the next week or so. But if the Fed starts to cut rates, which we're going to have an announcement here probably next week regarding what the Fed is going to be doing, we're going to have an idea that the Fed might cut rates or they might not cut rates. But once the Fed starts cutting rates, that's going to be very bullish. We have ETFs getting approved for Solana and XRP very, very soon. That's going to be a bullish event. So this war FUD, once, it's probably going to drop cryptos. It's probably going to drop altcoins, but it's going to provide incredible buying opportunities. So after we get some certainty with what is going on in the Middle East, the markets are probably going to rebound and bounce very hard. So we've pretty much corrected pretty strongly with altcoins. So that's probably what's going to be happening. But if you guys were in the Patreon, we shorted Bitcoin at the very top and made a fortune. And we've been buying the dips on altcoins. We made a lot of money. We took profits at the very top and sold. If you guys want to get my buy and sell alerts where you can know exactly when I'm buying and selling as a professional crypto day trader, join the Patreon right now. We have the most profitable crypto trading community in the world. If you're going to be trading cryptos, make sure you are not trading on Coinbase or Robinhood. The fees are absolutely crazy. Make sure you guys are trading over on Bluefin. Use the link in my video description. They're giving away $10,000 in deposit bonuses if you guys sign up using my link. And you're going to have the cheapest fees when it comes to trading cryptos. Again, also try my ALGOSNIPER trading indicator. It's only $1 today. It's in the video description below. That's going to help you guys visually understand when to get in and out of positions. You guys can try that for $1. If you guys get anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and I'll see you later.